Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our session on 11 Plus Maths. Today we're going to go through the book 11 Plus Maths, written by Faz A. So this will guide you to those doing the Bexley and Kent exam and for the whole foundation. If you do every single question in this book, then pretty much you can handle all the maths questions. So let's start with today we're going to be starting with fractions, the revision questions in the book, and so we'll spin this up. So let's go whiteboard up. Okay, so let's go into this one here. So starting question one, we'll try and give you the hints for every single question and how to do it. I might not have time to go through how to do every single question, but at least go through the techniques and hints on each question. So Michael has a box of coloured ribbons: 12 blue, 27 yellow, 9 green, and 2 green. Really, that should be 11 green. But it doesn't 11 green, but it doesn't change the maths. So in total, we have how many balls do we have? Remember, fraction is total is the bottom number. So the total we put in the bottom number. So total is the bottom number. So if we add 12, 27, 9, and 2, what do we get? So 12 add 27 add 9 add 2. Total is 50, so put that at the bottom, 50. And how many are blue? 12 are blue, so you put 12 there. And then you simplify it. Whose timetables are they both in? They're both in the 2 times table, so you both do 6 over 25, which gives you answer C. Okay, next question. Two large right angle triangles are identical, so these two are identical. All internal triangles are similar in shape to the larger triangles. Which triangle is shaded in the most? So so we've got here they're both the same, and internal triangles are similar in shape to the larger triangles. So which triangle is shaded in the most? So how many triangles are shaded in this one? Let's count this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The bottom number will be 9. And how many shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 over 9, this one. And how many triangles have we got on the right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 here. And how many shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 over 16 there. Okay, now they're different fractions, so we've got to kind of either simplify them if that'll help. So we get or we've got to make the bottom number the same if we want to compare the different fractions. So this is 2/3, and this is simplified. This will be 4. So 8 over 8 over 5. 5 over 8 and 2/3. How do we compare 2/3 with 5 versus 5 over 8? Let's put the same denominator. Let's put 24. So you times this one here times by 8 times by 8, 16. This one times by 3 times by 3, which is 15. So A left is bigger. So this one points to left, so this is bigger. Should read that one there. Okay, let's move on to number 3. Let's rub this out, it's getting confusing. So which answer option is equal to a fraction 1/4? So this is about adding and minusing fractions. So let's do this. 1/4 plus 1/3. Let's add that first. So this is both in the 12 times table. So I put 12 here. plus 12. 8 times 3 times 3, so times 3. 3 there, and choose a different colour here so we don't get confused. Times 4 times 4. So 4, and that's 7/12. And then we're going to do 7/12. Take away, so we've done this bit. We'll do minus a half. Again, the bottom aren't the same, so we've got to make the bottom the same. Let's choose 12 as our bottom number. So this one stays the same. This is going to be times 6 times 6. 6. So 7/12 minus 6/12, which is 1/12. Okay, and that's also that's also C. That's also C, the answer. Yeah, that's C there, 1/12. Okay, so that's number 3. Let's go to number 4. Which of the following fractions is the simplest form of 2/5 divided by 6? So basically, how do we divide fractions? That's the question. 2/5 divided by 6. Put that over 1. Okay, so don't forget the KFC method. So keep the first fraction the same. Flip the second fraction upside down, 1/6, and then change this into times. Times top by top, bottom by bottom, 2/30, and then we can simplify it, which is 1/15. Just that one there. Okay, which of the following is sorted in ascending order? Right, bit of that one here. So let's do this one here. So we've got to make them all the bottom number the same to put them in the right order. So here we'll put them all in 18. So this should be 7/18. This is 4/9 becomes 4/9. So times 2 times 2. So 8/18. Actually we can't do, so we'll just do 36 would be better one. Sorry, 36. That should be 36. Okay, so 36. 36. 36. 36. Okay, so the first one times by 2, so it's 14. Second one times by 4, so times top one by 4, 16. Third one times by 3, times top one by 15. And times by 12, times by 12. So that's not in the ascending order. Ascending means going up. Going up. Okay, let's do this one. All of these in the 36 times tables as well. So do 36. Oh, so we all the same fraction, are they? Yes, they're all the same fraction. So we can put these in size order. So really, so let's get a color. Okay, so really smallest is 12/36. Next one is 15/36. And 16/36. Oh no, so it should be 12/6 here. And 14/36. And we'll just make sure what 12/36 is 1/3. And 14/36 is which one? 14/36 is the 7/8, 7/18. And 15/36 was the 5/12. And 16/36, that's 4/9. So that's the order it should be. 18, 18, 4/9. And so that matches this one here. So answer to number 5 is B. Okay, good. Okay, good. So that's the way to do that one. So really good questions here. So a lot of skills you have to do. So make sure you can do all these questions. You might have to do it at least twice. First time you look at this video, second time have a go the whole thing by yourself. Which answer option is equivalent to fraction 3/10? Well, that's easy. That's this one here, 0.3. So 6b. Okay, which action is 17/50? Okay, so first of all, put it over 100. And then 34/100, which gives you this one here. Which one is a 14/20? So put it over 100. So times 5. So 14 times 5 is 70. And that's 0.70. So that's that one there. Which of the following figures is 3/8 is shaded 3/8? So first of all, we've got how many squares of count? There's 1, 2, 3. 3 by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 by 8. Oh, that's 3 by 8. Yep. So it's A. No, that's 9. That's 9 out of 24. And this is 3 out of 24. So question number 9 is so that's 3 over 24. So and this one is it's 9 out of 24 here. So put here 9 out of 24 here. And how many is this? Is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 24. Okay, we're going to simplify these. So 9 over 24 equals 8 divided by 5, 3 over 8. So it's A. Okay, A. And right, and then now Neil spent 1/3 of his money. So how much does he have? He have 2/3. So he spent 1/3. Spent. Then he'll have 2/3 will be left. 2/3 left. And then whatever is have 1/3 of his of that left. So it'd be 1/3 of what's left, which is 2/3. Okay, 2/3. Now, whenever you see of in maths, you change it to times. So it's 1/3 times 2/3. So 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 over 9. 2 over 9. So right, I want to make sure. Right, I have a thing here, so we might need number 10 might be how much of the money do you spend altogether? Oh, that's what's left. Okay, that's what's left. Spends 2/9 is what's left, so that means he's got okay, so okay, actually we'll read the question properly. So he spent 1/3 of his money and he also spends 1/3 of whatever's left. And so we've got to add, it's quite a complicated one, so we've got to add, so let's see. So he spent 1/3 of his money. So spend, so let's have a table here. Spend 1/3 of his original amount. Okay, 1/3. Spend. That's what it says, 1/3 spend. And he spends then he spends also, so that's the first spending he does is 1/3 of his money. And then he also spends the 2/3 of whatever's left. So we've got to find, so what's left is leftover is 2/3. So, and then he spends 1/3 of what he has left. So it'd be 1/3 of 2/3. So that equals 1/3 times 2/3, which is 2 over 9. So that's another one spent. So then we've got to add. So altogether, he spent this and he spent this. So you've got to now add these together to find out how much spent altogether. So 1/3 plus 2/9, which equals, so let's put it here, times by 3 times by 3, 3 plus 2, and 3 over 9 plus 2 over 9 is 5 over 9. Okay, really tough question there. That was a typical 11 plus exam question in problem solving, so you really must know how to do that one. So basically, just recap. Basically, work out. So 1/3. Spend 1/3 of his money. So you keep that side on the first one, 1/3, and then he spends 1/3 of whatever's left. So you do 1/3 of 2/3, calculate that bit, and then add it back to 1/3 like we've done here. So yeah, so so that's a really complicated question. So mind to rewind the video quite a few times to get that bit done. Okay, next one is number 11. Half of a third of a third, 4/4. Don't forget, every time you see the word of, you change the time. So half of 1/3 equals 1/6. And then 1/6 of 1/4, change the times. So let's change that to times. So it's 1/24. Okay. Yes. Okay, David has a square piece of card. He cuts off the area which are shaded as shown in the diagram. What fraction of the original area is remaining? So we've got to make them all into equal parts. So that's this bit and this bit. If you add it, that makes a whole square. Okay, so or actually, what we want to do, what is remaining? So we've got to remaining. So this bit and this bit is one whole, and this bit is one whole. So that's two holes there. And this is 2 holes, and this is half a half. This is half, so 2.5. So 2.5. So 2 holes and half. So this will be half. So this is 1/4. So let's move this. Let's do it again. This bit is 1/4. These two added together make 1/4. And this is half of a quarter. So half a quarter. So half times 1/4, which is 1/8. So this bit's 1/8. So we've got 1/4, add 1/4, add 1/8. So let's just write some different here. 1/4, add 1/4, add 1/8. Or 1/4 add 1/4 is 2/4. So we'll just change this to here. 2/4, add 1/8, put it over 8. So this will be times 2 times 2 times 2, 4. So 4/8 plus 1/8 gives you 5/8. So let's see. Number 12 should be C. 12 should be C. I think the answers seems to be wrong on that one. So this will be, so follow this one. I think on the book it seems to put D, but it's not D. It's C. Okay. Let's go to 13. Work out 3 3/10 times 5. So this is a mixed fraction. Turn it into improper. So it'd be 10, 30, add 3, 33 times 5. So put it over 1. 33 times 5. 168, because 165 over 10. Now both of them in the 5 times table. So divide both top and bottom by 5. So that'd be 33 over 2. So it's that big. 0.15 is a fraction. That's this one, 15 over 100. 1/3 of 134. So divide by the bottom times the answer by the top. So that be equals 48. So divide by the bottom times the answer by the top. 2/3 of number 24. What's 3/4 the same number? Okay, so 2/3 of something equals 24. Now, you don't divide by the bottom times by the top in this one when you don't know that's something. You do the opposite, divide by the top times the answer by the bottom. So 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. So that bit's 36. Then we want to know 3/4 of 36. This bit here, 3/4 of 36. Now this you do divide by the bottom times by the top. So 36 divided by 4 is 9. 9 times 3 is 20. 9 times 3 is 27. So 16, 27. 9 times divided by 4. 3/4. So this one, it's probably a wrong answer. So answer is 27. It's got 18. They probably here. This should be 27. Okay. What fraction is 1/6 shaded? So that's nice and easy one. 17 is 8. And 18, last question here. What fraction is shaded 4/9? So 4/9 is B. Okay, that's the end of this thing. So yeah, hopefully you've learned a lot from that. And we'll see you in the next video on fractions or fraction problem solving.